Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save videos to Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app on your computer and log in with your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Evernote workspace with various options available in the interface. Now, direct your attention to the left sidebar of the screen. Here, you'll find several navigation options that help you organize and access your content. Click on Notes to view all your existing notes. This section displays all the notes you've created or accessed recently, making it easy to find the exact note where you want to save your video. From your notes list, select the preferred note where you'd like to attach your video. This could be a project note, a meeting summary, or any other note where the video content would be relevant. Having your videos organized within specific notes helps keep your content structured and easy to find later. Once you've opened your chosen note, click anywhere within the note content area. This action activates the note editor and brings up the toolbar at the top of the screen. The toolbar contains all the editing and insertion options you'll need to customize your note and add various types of content, including videos. With the toolbar now visible, look toward the upper left corner and click on Insert. This option opens a drop-down menu with multiple choices for different types of content you can add to your note. Scroll down through this menu until you find the File option and click on it. This feature allows you to attach various file types, including video files, directly into your Evernote notes. After clicking File, a browser window will open, allowing you to navigate through your computer's file system. Browse through your folders and locate the video file you want to save to Evernote. Once you've found the correct video, select it and click Open to begin the attachment process. Now, you'll need to wait a moment while Evernote uploads and attaches the file to your note. The upload time depends on the size of your video file and your internet connection speed, so larger videos may take a bit longer to process. During this time, Evernote is securely transferring your video and embedding it within your note for future access. And that's it. You've successfully saved a video to your Evernote note, making it easily accessible whenever you need to reference it. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.